How can you make money with token unlock? This is what this video is all about. Actually, I have done a video on vesting. I posted it on TikTok, other pages of mine, but TikTok dropped it. So if you want to watch the video, it's on my YouTube. You can check my profile and you see the link to my YouTube. Go and watch it so that you have a better understanding of token unlock events. What normally happen before we have token unlock events. Now, let me explain this so that all of us we understand certain events that happens before we have token unlock events. Some utility tokens are not just launched and available to the public. Some developer, they do it through pre-sale, high CO, high DO, private sale, VC investment, and the rest. And when a token is launched in this manner, they don't release all the supply to the participants, the community, the investors, and the rest. They don't release it. They release some portion of it to them, and other portions are vested. Now, those tokens that are vested, they release it gradually to them. It could be once in a month, or once in 3 months, or once in a year. And that is what actually bring about token unlock events. Anytime, any date, they are releasing certain portion of that tokens to the community, to the investors, and the rest. That is token unlock events. Now, anytime they are releasing it, depending on the percentage, for instance, maybe they have released 50% of the supply to the market. Then on each token unlock event, they want to release, maybe the first event they want to release 5%, another time 10%, and so on and so forth. Now, how can you leverage this token unlock event to make money? There are some certain conditions you need to consider before you can make money with it. Now, the first of all, you must know that token event day, when are they releasing it, and what platforms the tokens are available. Apart from that, you must still find out which exchanges the token is being traded on perpetual, and that is futures. You need to know that, because if you want to make money with it, we are going to make use of future trading. That is where to make money with it. Then, it is not all tokens that is having token unlock event, that is, that they want to release certain portion to the holders that we can make money with it. No. Because, for instance, if you go to CoinMarketCap, you check, you will see some of them, they just want to release 1%, 2%, 1.3%, and the rest. And if you check the supply of the token, or the circulating supply of the token, how many units of the tokens are in the market? If they had 1% to it or 1.2% to it, it may not have any effect. It may not have any effect in the market. Now, to make money with any token events, token unlock events, at least maybe from 8%, depending on the supply of the token in the market. Let's say from 8%, 10%, and more. That is when we can make money with it. Now, apart from that, we still need to consider the market situation. Are we in uptrend? Are we in bull run markets or bear markets? Are we in bull markets or bear markets? We need to consider that. If it is in bull markets, there is possibility that if that certain percentage is released, the token may struggle and go up a little bit before it will come down. And mind you, even if it's going to come down, it may not, after some time, struggle, it may pick up, but you can still make money with it in as much the percentage is enough. But if we are in bear markets and like 10% is released, that is when we can make huge money, because there is no way the market will go down. If 10% is released, there's no way we are going to make money with it. Now, one thing we should know is that most holders, that they got certain percentage of the token, there is no way they will be waiting earnestly for the token to be released to them. And most of them, they may be in need of money. Some of them, they want to switch to another token. Some of them, they want to do one or two things. So immediately that token is released to them. Some of them, like 70% of them, they will sell. And when they sell, that is what brings the market down. And that is what people leverage on to make money. So now, all those things you need to consider that. What is the percentage? What is the market? Are we in bull markets or bear markets? And is the token that they are going to release, can we trade it on certain exchanges on perpetual, that is futures trading? You need to know all that. Then what you need to do is that 5 minutes, 10 minutes before the time they are going to release that token, you must be on the alert. Target yourself. Get ready. You may wait for like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. When they release it, but in some certain cases, they may push the price up a little bit before it begins to come down. So you have to position yourself and you study the market. When it goes up a little bit, you study it, then you enter, you short it, that is, you sell on future trading. That is how you make money with it. In as small the percentage is there, usually the price will come down and you make money with it before it will struggle to go back again. So that is how to make money there. So later I'm going to show you guys some websites we can make use of, like CoinMarketCap. You can make use of CoinMarketCap. You can make use of CryptoRank. You can make use of DropStab. You can make use, there's another website, it's Crypto Tokenomics. You can make use of Tokenomics. Go there. You are going to see token unlock on CoinMarketCap. I'm going to show you how to locate it on CoinMarketCap. So guys, this is CoinMarketCap, and I'm only going to make use of a CoinMarketCap to explain how you can locate unlock events. There are so many websites to use that I've mentioned, like CryptoRank, like Tokenomics, and others. Now, this is CoinMarketCap. To locate token unlock, click here. You can see under alpha. You should know, I know we normally go to this area. Click on alpha here, then you can see token unlock. I've clicked on it already. Now you have to watch clearly. Look at all these tokens. They are going to unlock certain portion of the supply to investor, to team, and the communities. Now you need to check the dates. When are those unlock events will happen? You have to look at the dates here. I think you can see like this Tao, August 21, 2025. That is when the unlock event is going to happen. Now look at this side. This side, this is the progress so far. How many of the supply has been released to the market? That is the progress. For instance, this Tahoe, as you can see, that is 48.97% has been released already. You can see other like Plume, 26.50% has been released already. Now you have to look at the next unlock. Units of the tokens are going to be released. You have to check that one. Though by looking at the percentage is very, very important. Now, so you are going to see the next unlock. That is where you are going to see how many units are going to be released and how many percent. Look at the percentage. You can see this is the units and the percentage. You see the unit percentage. So you have to look at them. And this is the critical aspect of it. The higher the percentage that is going to be released, the higher the possibility that when the percentage is released, the token may dip. Now, it is not limited to that. Another thing we need to consider, you need to know the market size. If a token has small liquidity, if high percentage is released to the market, it will have a very violent effect on that token. And another thing is to check the percentage. You need to check the percentage. Some of them, you can see some of them 1%. Like this one is only 1% that is going to release. Now we need to go and check what is the coin market cap of this token, what is the liquidity, and the progress. Though this progress is okay, it's still moderate, it's not even up to 50%. But we still need to go and check the coin market cap, the liquidity. If the liquidity is high, the coin market cap has grown, this 1% will not have any effect. But usually, anyone that is less than 2 points, that is even less than 3%, I will say there is no need of shorting it. There is no need of trading it in future. There is no need. So, but if you see some, like this particular one, look at this one. This one is 4.22%. Now, like this particular 4-point-something%, the percentage is high. And if you look at the unit that is going to be released to the market, you can see over 400 million is going to be released to the market. Though the progress is high, the next thing we need to go and check is to check the liquidity and the coin market cap. If there is no much liquidity, upon the fact that the progress has actually gone up to a certain extent, it will have effects on it. Now, I don't want to dwell much on this. I'm going to tell you another technique that will be easier for you for this analysis. But I'm not going to add it in this video, but I will tell you how to go about it. Now, once you have checked the particular token, particularly those ones that have a higher percentage, that they are going to lock higher percentage, and you have checked the dates that they are going to release, that most of them now is August 21, August 21, August 21. Then you just check the percentage that they are going to release and the number of units. Then click on it. For instance, this FP. Let's click on this FP. When you click on it, all this data, you need to check all these data. You can check about the portfolio if you have anything, historical data, and another. But another important thing that you need to check is to click on the community, check the community reaction, and the next one is the market. The market is very, very important because not all those tokens are listed for futures trading, for perpetual trading. No, I think derivatives. No. So you need to check the market. You click on the market. Then once you click on the market, then you click on derivatives. That is futures trading. Look at this. That is the you click on it. Now you can see this particular token that they are going to release the 4-point-something%. You cannot even trade it in futures in any market. It is not in any centralized exchange. It cannot be traded on any centralized exchange for future. So you need to check that. So once you don't see this one, this one won't be included. So you need to go and check another one. For instance, let's check another one like this Plume. Let's click on Plume. Let's click on Plume and simply go to look for markets. Then click on derivatives. Look at it. You click on it. Then you can see the centralized exchanges where you can trade them. Let me show you now. You can see it: Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io, Bybit, OKX, HTX, BitGet, and many others. So virtually all the top ties centralized exchanges, you can trade this particular token on it. Now, once you know that, the next thing that you are going to do, you go back to this place and screenshot this page like this. Once you screenshot it, then the next thing, once you screenshot it, the next thing, you are going to take it to ChatGPT. And I'm going to tell you what you are going to do in the next video.